In this video, I will show you how to make your Facebook account private. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake, and don't forget to like and subscribe. To make your Facebook account private, all you have to do now, go to your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. As you can see now, tap on your menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu, all you have to do now, tap on this setting at the top. After you open setting, all you have to do now, scroll to down. As you can see now, there's an option here, it says privacy checkup, so tap on it. After you come to this privacy checkup, as you can see now, there is three options that you just want to go and disable. The first one, it says who can see what you shared. The second one, it says how people can find you on Facebook, and the third one, it says your data and settings, your data settings on Facebook. So the first one is tap on this who can see you. So if you come to this section, all you have to do now, tap on this continue button. So in this section, as you can see now, here are all information about you on Facebook. So all you have to do now, go and tap on this little icon beside the information that you are seeing. Like for example, this one is my town. So tap on this town and make it to only me. So by making it to only me, as you can see now, this only me, now it hides your town. Now nobody can be able now to see how from which town are you coming on Facebook. So now all you have to do now, go and follow all these settings and just turn them to only me. As you can see, all change the settings of this, like your contact information, your date of birth, or your gender, your relationship, your employers, all go and make them to only me. So after you finish with all these things, the next one is just tap on this next button. So this section, as you can see now, this section as well, story and just default audience, go and make them to only me, all of them. So tap on this next again. In this section, as you can see, go and make it just to only me again. As you can see now, see your block list. So tap on this, just go and make it to only me. After you finish with this all section, now go back. So now all you have to do now, the next step is go and tap on this how people can find you on Facebook. So in this section, tap on this continue again. So as you can see now, make sure to change these settings to only me as well. So tap on this next again. This one too, make sure to change it to only me. So tap on this change it. So now tap on this all option to turn it off. As you can see now, do you want search engine outside of Facebook to link your profile? So tap on this turn it off. So by turning it off, now nobody can be able now to search even your account on Facebook. You make it to private. So now go back again. So the third option is tap on this your data settings on Facebook. So now all you have to do now, tap on this continue. So now here is your location. So make sure just to remove this TikTok if you have already linked it to your Facebook. So this last one is your location. So make sure just to change your location in this section. So that's it guys on how to make your Facebook account private. So by changing these settings, now your account will be private on Facebook. If this video helps you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.